Learn English to Hindi verbs. Help, explain, show, ask, answer with.
Hindi.
Welcome to the Verbs Circus. Hey, you are about to meet 8 useful Hindi verbs and one very dramatic imaginary parrot. Relax, listen, and enjoy the chaos. Welcome, brave language explorer. Today you will learn how to say help, explain, show, ask, answer, repeat, understand, and mean in Hindi. Your stars of the show are
मदद करना, समझाना, दिखाना, पूछना, जवाब देना, दोहराना, समझना,
and.
मतलब होना.
If that sounds like a lot, do not worry. Even your future genius self once forgot where the T was. Meet the helpful hero. Let us start with kindness, because language learning feels better when nobody throws dictionaries at you. The verb help is
मदद करना.
Imagine someone struggling with a heavy box, and you rush in like a low-budget superhero. Say it with me.
मदद करना.
Again.
मदद करना.
Example. I want to help my friend. In Hindi, मैं मपेन दास्ता की.
मदद करना.
Kahata hum. Example. Can you help me? In Hindi, kya tum meri.
मदद करना.
Sakate ho? Memory trick. My dad sounds a bit like my dad, helping me. Convenient? Yes. Silly? Also yes. When confusion attacks. Now let us fight confusion, that sneaky villain who appears whenever grammar enters the room. The verb explain is
समझाना.
If understand is the light bulb turning on, then explain is someone paying the electric bill. Say it.
समझाना.
Example. Please explain this to me. Hindi key verb.
समझाना.
Tiny contrast. Explain is
समझाना.
but understand is.
समझना.
One person gives clarity, the other person receives it. Show and tell, but mostly show. This next verb is perfect for photos, directions, and proving you really did bake that cake. The verb show is
दिखाना.
Picture a dramatic museum guide with a scarf, a flashlight, and absolutely too much confidence. That guide loves.
दिखाना.
Say it slowly.
दिखाना.
Example. Please show me the photo. Key Hindi verb.
दिखाना.
Useful contrast. Show is.
दिखाना.
While see is.
देखना.
One person presents, the other person views. Ask before you panic. Good learners are not silent statues. They ask questions, even slightly awkward ones. The verb ask is.
पूछना.
Imagine a student raising one finger very bravely, as if saying, I have a question, and hopefully it is not ridiculous. Say it.
पूछना.
Example. I want to ask a question. Hindi key verb.
पूछना.
Example. It is okay to ask for help. That means you may.
पूछना.
And also seek.
मदद करना.
A curious learner who dares to.
पूछना.
Learns faster than a silent genius pretending everything is fine. Now answer like a champion. If ask is the ball going out, answer is the ball coming back. Let us volley. The verb answer is.
जवाब देना.
Hear the rhythm. Question, pause.
जवाब देना.
Say it.
जवाब देना.
Example. Please answer my question. Hindi key verb.
जवाब देना.
Mini pair. Ask is.
पूछना.
Answer is.
जवाब देना.
If a parrot asks you a grammar question and then waits seriously, congratulations, life has become strange and you must.
जवाब देना.
Repeat, because memory is dramatic. Your brain loves repetition, even when your ego says, no, I got it already. The verb repeat is.
दोहराना.
This is the secret sauce of learning. Also the secret sauce of catchy songs you did not want in your head. Say it.
दोहराना.
Again, because the word itself demands it.
दोहराना.
Example. Please repeat the word slowly. Hindi key verb.
दोहराना.
To remember a word.
दोहराना.
It 3 times. That is not boring. That is strategy wearing comfortable shoes. The beautiful moment of understanding. Now we reach the magical point where things stop looking like alphabet soup. The verb understand is.
समझना,
Imagine puzzle pieces clicking together in your mind. That feeling is.
समझना,
Say it softly.
समझना,
Example. I want to understand this idea. Hindi key verb.
समझना,
Important pair again.
समझाना,
Means explain and.
समझना,
Means understand. If you do not.
समझना,
Yet, that is normal. First you listen, then you.
पूछना,
Then someone.
समझाना,
Then you.
दोहराना,
And finally you.
समझना,
What does it mean anyway? A classic language learning moment. You know the sound, but your brain says, wonderful. And now what? The verb mean, in the sense of signify, is.
मतलब होना,
You will also often hear the short word.
मतलब,
For meaning. Say it.
मतलब होना,
Example. What does this word mean? Hindi idea. Yaha sabda kya?
मतलब,
Rakata hai? If someone says a mysterious sentence, you can wonder what it
मतलब होना,
is. Do not confuse this with mean as in unkind. Here we only want meaning, not rude uncles at weddings. A tiny funny dialogue. Now you will hear the verbs working together like a slightly chaotic team. Student. Can I?
पूछना,
Something? Teacher. Yes, please.
पूछना,
Student. What does this word?
मतलब होना,
Teacher. I will.
समझाना,
And.
दिखाना,
You with an example. Student. Please.
दोहराना,
That slowly. Teacher. Of course.
मदद करना,
Is help.
जवाब देना,
Is answer. Student. Ah, now I.
समझना,
Teacher. Excellent. My work here is done. I shall now vanish into a cloud of grammar. Quick drill challenge. You are up. Listen in your mind, then answer before your imaginary parrot does. How do you say help?
मदद करना,
How do you say explain?
समझाना,
How do you say show?
दिखाना,
How do you say ask?
पूछना,
How do you say answer?
जवाब देना,
How do you say repeat?
दोहराना,
How do you say understand?
समझना,
How do you say mean?
मतलब होना,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through the verb circus without being chased by a giant exam paper. Today you practiced.
मदद करना, समझाना, दिखाना, पूछना, जवाब देना, दोहराना, समझना,
And.
मतलब होना.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep repeating, keep asking questions, and soon these words will feel natural in both English and Hindi.